Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2023 Alliance Valor, and so I'm sneaking up over here on Terry to see what's going on. He's down here looking all crazy. I'm wondering if he's got some frame cracks. What's going on, Terry?
Frame cracks it is.
Oh, I was just saying that in my video. So what do you got? Okay.
Look at that guy there. That's
there.
plain as day.
Yeah.
And then
So there's a frame crack there on the I-beam. You got another one back here?
this little guy right here.
Now the last one that was just in here that was like that, oh yeah, I see it. It had 6 on it.
I checked the other side, I didn't see any.
Okay. And then we also had an Alliance Avenue in here that was brand new, that was a 2026 that already had frame cracks on it too. So anyways, if you're new to our channel, our YouTube channel, or if you're following us on our Alliance Facebook group or one of our other Facebook groups, this is Dustin. I'm your RV Specialist. We're from California RV Specialist, and we do Alliance manufacturer warranty. So if you're having a problem with your local dealership, if they're too busy, can't get you in, some kind of scenario like that, or if you bought it in another state and you're just passing through, that's what this gentleman is. So this guy came in for a in transit. They're in it full time at the moment, heading back to Oregon, and they had a previous repair done by another dealership where they didn't properly secure the underbelly, and so it came open on them in travel. So we just got done putting all that back together. While Terry was doing that, he secured a bunch of stuff up underneath the bottom, and then he found those frame cracks. So, you know, even though I started out the video like that, I knew what we were coming to look at. So anyways, but we have been seeing a lot of these come in lately with frame cracks. So whether you have an Alliance or a Grand Design or a Keystone or a Jayco or a KZ or a Forest River or any of those kind of lines, anything pretty much with a Lippert frame, we have been finding these frame cracks. And so both Alliance has been covering the frame cracks under their warranty for us to go ahead and repair, as well as Grand Design and some of the other companies. So if you do have a unit, and depending on the manufacturer brand and their agreements with the factory of the frames, some of them are obviously 3-year warranty, some of them are 5, some of them they're just taking care of them. So currently we have one over here, let's say 2015, it has 10 frame cracks in it, and the manufacturer's taking care of all those for us as well. So anyways, if you need some help, give us a holler. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist. And again, if you haven't checked us out on our Alliance Facebook group, it's Alliance RV Owners in the RV Shop Maintenance and Repairs with Dustin. So check that out. It's an open forum. We allow you to say anything you want and share pictures, videos, posts, and it helps us to determine, find things that are going on in the industry, lets us help report back to, other consumers, lets us help the dealers, the manufacturers, as well as, guys that are out doing mobile fixing them. So when we kind of, come across a problem, is it just like a one-aught, or is it, something that's kind of plaguing all these different years and makes a model? So anyway, stay tuned for more. We appreciate your business. We appreciate the relationship with Alliance as well. And so definitely want to say that we're not hating on any manufacturer out there. Obviously, if they weren't building these coaches, we wouldn't be in business. So we have been here since 2003. You can check us out on our website. You can see more about me, my full CV, and everything that goes on here at the shop. We also write articles. We do daily posts, videos like this and others, and then, actually things that we are repairing. So, but I wanted to show you guys that. So when you're coming up to your coaches, good idea to go through your frames. A lot of times when you're taking it into a place for like a wheel bearing pack or a brake inspection, they're not going to be looking at the frames like that. So pay close attention to your, V braces. If there is none, we recommend that you do that. Check your hangers, check your welds on your bottom base that's connected to the eye. And then again, if you see frame cracks like this guy right here, see if that'll focus good or not. There we go. Check and see if you got any I-beam frame cracks. And then again, there was another one down below. We're also looking at all the hangers, the supports, the outriggers. We're looking at slide outs. We're looking at all kinds of fun stuff here in the shop. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, give us a holler. This is Dustin, RV Specialist. Have a great day.